with Chef Matt. Today, we're going to be making braised pork with black-eyed peas and kale. So let's start out with our pork here. We have some diced pork collar here. All right, we have it in our half pan, and with that, we're going to mix 2 ounces of diced celery, 2 ounces of diced onion, and 3 ounces of diced carrot in with the pork. We're going to dump that in here. And then we're going to take 4 cups of vegetable stock, salt and pepper, and some ground bay leaves, a little bit of brown sugar, and a little bit of Cajun seasoning. We're going to mix that around. And then we're going to pop it in the oven covered for about 2 hours. And the pork's going to be braised, low and slow, and it's going to just fall apart. When we come back after it's done, we're going to pull all of the meat and the vegetables out, and we're going to use our stock that's the remainder in the pan and heat that up with our kale and our black-eyed peas. So see you in a little bit. All right, so now that our pork mixture has been in the oven for 2 hours. At about an hour and a half, we pulled out our mixture, and I added black-eyed peas and the kale. Put that back in for another 30 minutes until the pork was tender. We pulled it out, and this is the end result here. All right. So we got some pork, black-eyed peas, some kale, and a nice stock. There you go. Enjoy.